Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Poha is very common snacks recipe in India. But today we came up with a twist. This is cheese poha. It's a very easy recipe and very tasty as well. So come, let's see how to cook cheese poha. So for that, first step is we are taking peanuts. We are going to roast the peanuts. We have taken handful of peanuts and we have roasted it for around 2 to 3 minutes in a pan. And once they are roasted, take them away. And in the same pan, add 2 to 3 spoon of vegetable oil. Once the oil is hot, add this much amount, it's around 1 teaspoon of mustard seed. So after adding the mustard seed, let them fry in low heat. It will give you a very good smell, and at that stage add chopped potatoes. So we have used two big size potatoes and we have cut them into cubes like this, as you can see. So fry these potatoes for around 5 to 10 minutes. Till the potato is frying, we'll do the other task, like we are going to remove the skin of the peanuts. As you can see, we have removed the skin of the peanuts. So please remove the skin of the peanuts. Let it be cool, then only you remove. Don't try to remove while it's hot. And we have taken the poha. The quantity of poha is 4 cups and we have added water to it, and we are going to drain the water so that the poha will be cleaned. So once the cleaning is done, we are going to add salt. As you can see, we are adding half teaspoon of salt into the poha. We need some more salt, so we added half teaspoon more. And after adding the salt, we are going to add the sugar. So we are now adding sugar. As you can see, 2 teaspoons sugar we are going to add now with this poha. So once the sugar and salt has been added, gently mix it with a spoon. Don't use your hand so that the poha won't get broken. So gently mix it with a spoon. As you can see how we are mixing it. So by this time our potato has been fried. See, this potato looks very nice after it got fried. And now we are going to add the peanuts, which we have already removed the skins, as you can see. So we are adding all the peanuts now. We will be frying these peanuts along with the potatoes for 2 minutes. Okay, so fry them for 2 minutes. Meanwhile, we have kept the poha to rest for 5 minutes. And at this stage, we are adding half teaspoon of turmeric powder. As you can see, we have added the turmeric powder now. And after adding this turmeric powder, we are mixing the turmeric powder with this potato and peanuts. So let's mix it gently, and we will continue this frying in a low heat. So continue frying in low heat for 1 more minute. So now the poha has been rested for 5 minutes, so we are adding the poha now. So this poha is already containing salt and sugar. So keep it in your mind before you add more salt or sugar. And now gently we are going to mix this poha with the potato and peanut. We have added half teaspoon more turmeric powder at this stage because the color was not so bright. So after adding this half teaspoon turmeric powder, again we are mixing it. So as you can see, the poha and the turmeric powder and potatoes, everything is getting mixed. So always mix it gently, and now we are frying it in low flame only. As you can see friends, this poha is non-sticky. It is not stick to each other. As you can see, we shall be frying this in low or medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure it doesn't get burnt at the bottom. So keep moving it. Now our poha is almost ready, so we are going to turn off the heat now. As you can see, the texture, the color, everything looks fine. Now we are adding 4 to 5 chopped green chilies to the poha, and after that we are squeezing half part of lemon, half of the full lemon we are squeezing. As you can see, we are squeezing the lemon juice. I'm showing you the lemon. See, we are squeezing this lemon juice on the poha, and after that we have taken it to a bowl and we are adding chopped onions. We have taken a mid-size onion and chopped it. So as you can see, we are adding the chopped onions. Now the final stage is to add the cheese. So we are cutting the cheese from the cheese slice. This gives a very good taste and a great twist in the recipe, in the poha recipe. So please add this cheese. So friends, do try this at your home and let us know how it comes. Bye bye.